In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM for studying. So there's a bunch of different ways you can use this. However, I'm going to show you some of them and how to get started because it's actually very simple. The first thing you have to do here in NotebookLM, you want to sign into your account and then click on Create New Notebook. Now, when you click on that here, it's going to ask you to basically upload sources right away, or you can click on the X button and kind of get the overview. However, the first thing you have to do is basically put in your sources. So I'm going to go plus add sources, and I'm just going to drop in a PDF which I just randomly created over here for this purpose, and it's just some sample history studying packet for this NotebookLM over here. Okay, so I just AI generated this with ChatGPT, but I'm going to just show you how to do this. So for example, let's say you have some studying material, and then what you have to do is just drag and drop it in here or upload it, whatever this may be. It could be like a Word document, a PDF, there could be pictures, it could be a video, stuff like that, and it's basically going to give you like an overview and an outline over here. Now, to use this for studying, you can then go ahead and of course create something depending on which studying style you prefer. If you prefer audio learning, for example like podcasts, you could go and click audio overview here and just create an audio overview, and here you'll be able to go ahead and select the format. So if you want a deep dive, a brief, a critique, a debate, I'm going to do a deep dive because I do think that's the best if I want to study, and then choose a language. You can change your language here. I'm going to select English, and then here it's going to say length. So for length, I'm just going to do a long because I want it to be long, and then I'm going to do generate over here. Now, when you do that, it's going to basically start this task, and it's going to start generating your audio. If you prefer visual studying, you can go ahead and create a video overview. You can just click on that. It's going to create a video overview, which is going to be kind of a explainer video, which is also quite nice. If you prefer mind maps, click on that here, and it's going to generate your mind maps, and then you'll be able to open these. I'm going to show you. So for example, like that, as you can see, it's creating a mind map here. I can go ahead and keep extending these, and kind of course, if you are a visual learner, you will make use of this, and then I think you'll be able to study with this very, very efficiently. Over here, you also have different methods, such as reports. You could go ahead and generate different reports. You could make flashcards if you want to make flashcards, which will basically help you study. You could create quizzes in case you actually want an interactive quiz based on your sources, and that will help you study as well. You could also create infographics, different slides via this slide deck over here, and stuff like that. Now, just click on each and every single one of these, and then you'll be able to actually generate it, and then you'll be able to, of course, go ahead and view it in here whenever that's done, and that way you'll be able to study. Of course, you can keep on adding in new material, you can create new notebooks, and then just basically start creating different types of content here inside your studio, and that way you'll find the way that of course is the best for you. For example, here I have these flashcards. If I go here, you'll be able to see they're quite convenient. Yeah, there we go, these are the flashcards, and I can just go ahead and click on them to actually turn them over, and yeah, that way it's actually, I think, very convenient to study as well. So it's up to you which learning style you prefer. Just go ahead and generate that, and then use the advantage of NotebookLM for your studying. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.